Okay, so lesson 4, chapter 7, lesson 4. The terms of an expression are the parts of the expression that are separated by an addition or subtraction sign. A coefficient is the number that is multiplied by a variable. So we have 4k plus 5. The expression has two terms, 4k and 5. So you have to say that 4k together as a term. And then the coefficient is what you see with the variable. So that would be the 4. So the expression of 2x plus 8, we have two terms there. And the terms are, we have 8, and then what's the other one? 2 and x. So we'd say that together, so that would be 2x. And then the first term of the product of the coefficient is the product of the coefficient. And the coefficient is 2, and the variable is x. Does that kind of make sense? But the coefficient is the number next to the letter, next to the variable. The second term in the expression is 8. So we have the terms 2x and we have 8. And then the coefficient is the 2 because it's next to the variable. It's the one that's multiplied by the variable. Okay, so a word expression for 2x plus 8 is 8 more than the, okay, when we multiply, what's that word we use? Then the product of, and what is next to the x? 2 and x. So tomorrow when we actually do lesson 7.4, we'll do a little more work with how to write the word expression and more with coefficients and terms. Okay, have a good Thursday. Oh, let me move that. You can't see all of Mr. Grayson Allen. There we go. Dunking. Yep. Okay, have a good day.